This is what you can get for 2.5 market edition.
I love to support my local farmers market because I believe I get fresh fruits and vegetables all the time.
Can you believe you can actually get fruits and vegetables at your local farmers market for $2,500? Is this crazy or is this reasonable? Comment below, guys, and let me know. Do you guys have a budget when it comes on to shopping fruits and vegetables, or you just spend till you drop? So this is what I normally do to prevent spoilage with my vegetables. So after shopping my vegetables at my local farmers market, I'll just come home and rinse them off and make my blended green seasoning using my scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seed, a little piece of ginger, and you name it. So with making the blended green season, it's easy to make, it's more convenient